When did being tired all the time become normal? And why do we act like it's just part of life? Most people don't remember what feeling good actually feels like anymore. Low energy, aches, brain fog, pain, we've normalized it. And that normalization is the problem. In this video, I want to question that assumption and explore why so many people feel off without knowing why. At some point, discomfort became expected. We stopped asking why and just started saying this is just how it is. But human bodies haven't changed. Our environment has. What if feeling unwell isn't normal? It's just common. That question alone changes everything. And if these questions resonate, don't brush it off. I work one-on-one with people who feel like something is off and want help cutting through the noise, physically, mentally, and practically. And if you want guidance, maybe it's time to book a call with me. Maybe sign up for my newsletter, TonyStewartCoaching.com. And subscribe here if you're ready to go deeper. The moment you stop normalizing feeling bad and start looking for real answers, that's where the clarity begins.